everyone. Today we have a English class. So before learning alphabets, we learn strokes, okay? So today we are going to learn curves. Backward curve, okay? This we have learned earlier also. Okay, we'll start from the dot. Curve towards right, go down and stop. In the same way, start from the dot, curve towards right, go down and stop. The same way, start from dot, curve towards right, go down and stop. This is backward curve. Forward curve. Start from dot, curve towards left, go down and stop. Again, start from dot, curve towards left, go down and stop. The same way, start from the dot, curve towards left, go down and stop. Upward curve. This, we start from dot, make a curve by touching the red line, come down and touch the second blue line, okay? And we need to repeat this process, okay? The same way, again, start from the dot, make a curve by touching the red line, come down and touch the second blue line. Okay, so this is downward curve. So in this curve, we move down. Okay, so this is downward curve. This we start from the red dot, okay, red line. Start from the dot, come down, touch the blue line, again go up, touch the red line. The same way, start from the dot, a slight curve, come down, touch the blue line, again go up and touch the red line. Okay, this is backward curve. We are going to write backward curve. Please put dots. Okay, in this way we are going to put 2 dots. Okay, and kids can choose any color which they like, any crayon color. Okay, and start writing. Hope all are ready. This is backward curve. We'll start from dot, curve towards right, come down and stop. Okay, again in the same way, start from the dot, curve towards right, come down and stop. Again in the same way, start from the dot, curve towards right, come down and stop. So this is backward curve. Okay, we have learned this in earlier class also. Hope all are writing. Then next is forward curve. Again, parents, please put 2 dots in this way. Yes, again, start from the dot, curve towards left, come down and stop. The same way we are going to write. Okay, come down and stop. Again, start from the dot, curve towards left, come down and stop. Okay, you can write one curve now, then you can practice later on. Okay, kids? Only one curve. Okay. Then next, downward curve. So you need to put 2 dots in this way. Mama will put dot for you. Okay, start from down. Go up, touch the red line, come down and touch the dot. Okay, this is upward curve. Again, the same way. Start from the dot, go up, touch the top line, make a curve, come down and touch the dot. This is upward curve. Next, downward curve. So now you need to put dots. Okay, 2 dots on the top line. Okay, you're having red line. So you will put 2 dots on the red line. Then start from the top dot, come down straight and a slight curve. Again, go up, touch the dot. Okay, so this is downward curve and this is upward curve. So this curve is coming because we are moving towards upwards. So this is upward curve and here we are moving towards down. So this is downward curve. Good morning. The title of my song is ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Thank you. So today we are going to write capital letter A. So how to write capital A? Okay, we have here 2 slanting lines and 1 sleeping lines. Okay, kids? So we'll start from top. Okay, come down in a slanting way towards right and stop. Towards left and stop. Again, start from the dot, slant down towards right and stop. Then we'll make 1 sleeping line in between, okay?
A.
Start from the top and draw a slanting line.
Fantastic!
Go to the top and draw another slanting line down to the opposite side.
Fantastic!
Now go little below the middle and draw a slipping line.
Great!
This is a capital letter A.
A for apple. A for apple. Okay. So we are going to write today A. Look, this is A. Okay. So we have 2 slanting lines and 1 sleeping line here. Okay, kids? And A for apple. So first we are going to write slanting line. Okay. So parents, please don't put dots in this way. Okay. Yes. So we'll start from the top dot, come down, slant down towards left and stop. Okay. Then again start from top dot, come down, touch the line. Yeah, we have done earlier na, this stroke. Okay, again the same stroke. And here we are going to write right slanting line. Okay. Yes, again this way, 2 slanting lines, and in between sleeping line. The same way, 2 slanting lines, okay, both the slanting lines, then sleeping line. Okay, this is alphabet A. A for apple. A. A for apple. A for ant. So, phonic sound of A is A. A. Apple. A. A. Apple. So, you're going to do action also and learn phonic sound also. Thanks. Stay safe and healthy.